Ang ganda talaga ng location nito kasi napakalapit lang sa Evie at Alabang. Via Calax, accessible lang din going to airport at Metro Manila. At alam mo bang for as low as 19,000 monthly down payment, you can now own this modern house? Complete finish na nga rin ang turnover, kaya naman wala ka na talagang gagawin at lilipatan mo na lang to together with your family and loved one. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, your trusted real estate salesperson. Kaya tara, silipin natin si Hamilton Executive Residences Amanda Model. Ang daming ang client na naghahanap ng unit na sana affordable, maganda ang location, safe at prime community sana ang titirahan ng kanilang pamilya, at syempre sana accessible sa mga major establishment essential for a growing family. Kaya naman marirecommend ko talaga si Amanda Model. Alam mo ba na may total improved area na to na 94.75 square meters? Paano ba naman kasi even the carport and service area ay cemented na rin. Total lot area is 54 square meters for a standard inner lot at marami tayong available na corner lot and end lot unit. If ang hanap mo nga rin ay RFO or ready for occupancy, marami rin tayong available unit na pwede mo nang malipatan agad-agad. For this unit, meron ka nang 3 spacious bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, 1 in the master's bedroom, service area na pwede mong i-expand upon turnover ng unit for future kitchen renovation, cemented carport space na half is already covered dahil naka-overhang na ang ating second floor. Isa pa nga sa nagustuhan ko dito, ang ganda ng community natin at napaka-prime talaga ng amenities. Price starts at 4.7 million pesos only and our estimated monthly amortization through bank financing is at 35,000 pesos only. Required income naman ay 117,000 pesos lang at yes, pwedeng-pwede ka mag-co-borrower. Sama na rin palang Meralco water upon turnover kaya naman wala ka na talagang iisipin. O, so paano? Ito na rin ba ang future home mo? Tara, tripping na tayo para ma-assist ka ng team namin. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!